It's time for me to refill my little dishwasher pod holder. And so I just got these in the mail. These are from my Subscribe and Save. I have two right here. These are the 7th generation Power Plus pods. And I really like the value when you order that, the 2-pack in the Subscribe and Save. Um, I really especially like these for glasses. I had run out, and so I had some old pods from a different brand, and I have two glasses here, and I'm not sure if you can see this one. I'm not sure if it's clear, but there are some water spots on that one. This is freshly washed, just took it out of the dishwasher before I got my new boxes. And then this one, there are a few fingerprints, but this one you can see there aren't any spots on this glass. And this glass was one of the last loads I had with my last batch of 7th generation. Um, so I personally really like the ingredients in the 7th generation pods. I'm making a switch all around my house, and I just prefer what is in these pods. Let's go ahead and open the box up. Comes in a bag, very tightly sealed. I'm going to need, oh, my scissors are in the dishwasher. So let's open it up with a knife. So the pods come like this. They are all white. It feels hard. So it is packed with the detergent. Here I have a competing brand pod so that you can see the size difference. This one's a little bit more of a rectangle, but they are probably about equally. This is a little bit fatter, and this one has some of the liquid in it. I just really prefer using the 7th generation. I've noticed my dishes, there's no water spots. I do have a little bit of hard water here, and so I just personally really like what is in them and how my dishes come out. So if you're looking to make some tiny switches in your home, these 7th generation dishwasher packs are a really great addition to my cleaning routine.